Hey everyone, today we're going to show you what to do if your Samsung washer throws an error code 8E1, which in many cases is vibration sensor goes bad. The symptoms for this, you'll notice that when you run a cycle, when you get to the rinse cycle with maybe about 17 minutes left in the cycle, the washer just stops. Just cold stops. The clothes will be soaking wet, the drum won't turn, you'll get no feedback whatsoever. The setting will still just say 18 or 17 minutes. The door may actually unlatch mid-cycle, which is a little bit weird, and it will just sit there. You can reset the unit, you can unplug it, plug it back in, and it will just stay there. Now this applies for these model washers, the WF45H6300A and 6100A. Ours is the 6300A. To check and verify your error code, you need to get into the quick test or diagnostic mode, and in the technical information pamphlet it says you can do that by pressing the soil key, the spin key, and the power key at the same time. And try to do that here with one hand. If you do that successfully, you'll get all the LEDs light up at the same time. After about 20 seconds, most of the LEDs go off, and what's left should be your software revision. If your washer is not working at all or properly, instead of getting this software revision code, you'll see your error message. In our case, it was the 8E1 error message. So in our case with the 8E1 error, that meant that the vibration sensor went bad. And I'll show you the part number here. And in the end, it's a really simple fix. In order to access the vibration sensor, you just need to remove the top panel of your washing machine. And you'll see in the back here, there are just two screws. One is right there, and one is right there. We'll take a Phillips head screwdriver now and remove those two screws and pop off the top. All right, with those two screws removed, we can slide off the top. This can be accomplished by simply pushing this back, but you can see that just kind of goes right back like that, and then you can lift it off. With the top panel off, you can look in right on the top. You'll see a connector clip here and some wires that run down right to here. This is your vibration sensor. All you need to do here is remove these two Phillips head screws. This plastic piece which houses the vibration sensor underneath comes right off, and then you can unclip the wiring harness connector here and disconnect the clip right here. And then you just simply reverse the process, put in your new vibration sensor, reattach the two Phillips head screws, and then clip this back in and secure the wires. And then once that's done, you just reattach the top panel. Simply lay the top panel back on and then pull it towards you until it clips and clicks underneath. We'll reattach the two Phillips head screws in the back. Okay, once those two screws are reattached, we can plug the unit back in, power it up, make sure that it's working. You can just give it a quick setting on the rinse spin and verify that it works. So hopefully that's a good and quick fix if you get the 8E1 error code on your Samsung washer. Thanks very much for watching.